Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Huawei MatePad SE. So this is a Huawei device, so of course we don't have a Google Lens here and the features from the Google company, so we have to do it by the web browser. So we have to start from opening the web browser, of course, and then go to the google.com. Now it's very important step necessary. Click on this red icon and switch your web browser to the desktop site. Now just click here on this camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to your gallery and choose the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and click done. And now Google looking automatically for the same or the similar images in the Google image database. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment. And goodbye.